Beautiful smiles will be your creation. Right in the heart of Istanbul, Bahçeşehir University Faculty of Dentistry. This is where art, science and academic knowledge come together. You will discover endless possibilities with your artistic skills. As you create your art, you will progress like a designer. You will combine your talents with a scientific perspective and give people the most sincere smile. You will receive theoretical and practical training at BAU Oral and Dental Health Hospital. Oral, dental and maxillofacial surgery. Oral, dental and maxillofacial radiology, pedodontics, endodontics, orthodontics, periodontics, prosthodontics. Restorative dentistry training at the highest level is here. Digital, aesthetic, and implant dentistry applications are here. Academic staff of internationally recognized dentists, multidisciplinary dental clinics, and high-tech training laboratories are here for you. You will become a global dentist with international clinical rotations. You will be exposed to dental practices around the world. There are so many reasons to smile and to be a good dentist. BAU Faculty of Dentistry, Europe's most comprehensive dental hospital and faculty.